In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to a block of text in Notion, whether you're looking to highlight important points or simply add a splash of color to your notes. This guide will walk you through the process in simple, clear steps. Let's dive in and make your Notion pages more vibrant and organized. First things first, open your Notion application or website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page where you wish to add the colored text. If you don't have a specific page yet, you can start by creating a new page by clicking on the New Page button, usually found on the sidebar. Once your desired page is open, you will find that Notion's interface makes it very user-friendly to manipulate text and settings. Now that you have your page set, look at the content where you want to apply the color change. Take your cursor and highlight the specific block of text you'd like to color. Clicking and dragging your mouse over the text can accomplish this. It's crucial to ensure that every part of your desired text is selected from start to finish to achieve a uniform color change. With your text highlighted, the next step involves accessing the customization options. Hover over the highlighted text. You should notice a small menu bar appears directly above the selection. In this menu, look for the icon with 3 horizontal dots, often referred to as the More Options button. Click on these dots to open up an extended menu of customization possibilities. Now that you've clicked on the 3 dots, a range of format options should be available to you. Among these, keep your eyes peeled for the color option. This is the key to adding those vibrant tones to your text. Click on the color option, and you should see a swatch of color options drop down. These options will include a standard set of colors to choose from, ranging from the basics like red, blue, and green to some more pastel and muted shades, ensuring there's something to suit every style and need. Once you view the colors, simply click on the desired color. Upon selecting it, your previously highlighted text will change, reflecting your choice immediately. This step is seamless and provides a quick visual transformation, making it apparent if you've achieved the desired effect. If the color isn't quite what you expected, feel free to try another until you're satisfied with the result. And just like that, you've successfully added color to your text in Notion. This small yet impactful change can help organize thoughts and enhance the readability of your notes or documentation. Experiment with different colors to find what works best for your purposes. And there you have it. A simple approach to customizing your Notion workspace, making it as functional and visually appealing as possible. Thank you for following along, and happy note-taking.